On Saturn, with the magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Belt. A belt. It's a belt. Do you know how to tie your belt? Watch. A watch. It's a watch. She's wearing a watch. Gloves. Some gloves. Or a pair of gloves. There's some gloves. These are my boxing gloves. Mittens. Some mittens. Or a pair of mittens. There's some mittens. I'm wearing a pair of mittens because it's too cold. Scarf. A scarf. It's a scarf. He's wearing a scarf around his neck. Glasses. Some glasses. Or a pair of glasses. There's some glasses. Don't forget to wear your sunglasses on sunny days. Now, it's time to make some sentences using possessive pronouns. Whose belt is this? It's Jim's belt. It's his. Whose gloves are these? They're Kate's gloves. They're hers. Whose scarf is this? It's Andy's scarf. It's his. Whose glasses are these? They're Sam's glasses. They're hers. Whose watch is this? It's Scott's watch. It's his. Whose mittens are these? They're Alina's mittens. They're hers. Well done, everyone! Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.